Imagine this. You have a mountain of data and you need to unlock the hidden insights that will take your business to the next level. But you're stuck. Too many numbers, too much complexity. What if you could use AI to automate insights, spot trends, and make smarter decisions faster? Today, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your Power BI dashboards with AI. No complicated coding, just pure value. Step 1. Import your data into Power BI. Whether it's sales, customer info, or operational data, get it into Power BI as smoothly as possible. Don't worry about cleaning it up just yet. Power BI can handle that. Now click on AI Insights. This simple tool gives you the power of machine learning right inside Power BI without writing a single line of code. Step 2. Add an AI visual to your report. The Key Influencers visual is an absolute game changer. It automatically tells you what factors, be it price, customer age, or region, are driving your business outcomes. With a few clicks, Power BI analyzes your data and AI steps in to reveal the key influencers that drive your results. It's like having a data scientist working for you. Step 3. Predict future trends with AutoML. No PhD required. Just drag and drop your data, and Power BI will automatically build a machine learning model for you. Now you've got a predictive model telling you how your sales will perform in the coming months. This is real AI power, right inside your dashboard. Step 4. Use cognitive services to add even more intelligence to your dashboards. Imagine you're analyzing customer feedback. With a click, Power BI uses AI to analyze sentiment. Is your customer happy or frustrated? Now, you can visualize sentiment analysis across regions, products, or campaigns. This helps you instantly understand how customers feel about your brand. That's it! AI isn't just for experts, it's for everyone. Whether you're analyzing sales, customer feedback, or trends, Power BI and AI can help you make smarter, faster decisions. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Bytewired for more powerful tutorials that make complex tools simple. You'll get exclusive tips on everything from Power BI to advanced data science. Thanks for watching. Like this video? Share it with your friends and let's spread the power of AI in analytics.